Ta-da! So, alright. Okay, today we will be having our topic on the Seaboard May 2022 under the structural design and construction. With the topic of shear and moment, we will be having our drawing about the shear and moment diagram. Okay, so the problem is 18-meter precast pile is being lifted. Its left end is laid on the ground while it's supported at 3 meter from the right end. Number 1. What is the resulting maximum positive moment due to its uniform weight of 15 kilonewton per meter? And second, at what equal distance from the end should the pile be lifted so that the bending stress is at least possible? And number 3, what equal distance from the ends should the pile be lifted so that the resulting shear is the smallest? Okay, so ano ba yung drawing na yan? I-illustrate muna natin yung precast na yan. So, possible kasi mahaba to 18 meter na precast. So, this would be possible sa mga tulay ito. Would be girder, something like that. Okay. Yun. Okay, so it is lifted. May dalawang lift yan. I-lift to. Ito yung beam, tapos may uniformly distributed na weight na 15 kilonewton per meter. And that is a 3 meter, yung 3 meters, well supported at 3 meter from the right end. Ito yon. So let us denote here as A, and this would be B. That is an 18 meter long, so may 3 meters dito na nakahang, so ibig sabihin may 15 meter dito na matitira. Okay, so the problem says that we will find the positive moment. So, ibig sabihin, gawa muna tayo ng shear and moment kasi hindi tayo makakapagpagawa ng direktang moment kung hindi tayo dadaan sa shear diagram. So, shear muna tayo. Okay, so, kasi ito, medyo masagwa tingnan. So, inilagay ko muna sa baba para medyo kahit pa paano maganda naman tingnan. Okay, so, kasi andyan na yung illustration natin, kunin muna natin itong reaction. Itong dalawang reaction. That is RA and RB. Okay. So, we take moment at B. Oh, A. I should say A. Moment at A. Okay. So, we have 15 RB. Tapos 18, 15. This is 15 meters. And 18 meters. 18 meters naman yung haba nitong uniform distributed times 9. Kasi, yun magpo-fall dito yung ating resultant nitong 15 kilonewton per meter. Okay. So, that is lever arm nito is 9 or the moment arm. Okay. We have the RB of 162 kilonewton. Okay, how about for reaction at B? We have summation of vertical forces is equal to 0. So, we have the vertical forces, ito pataas, ito pababa. So, that is RA plus RB, that is equal to 15 times 18. So, 15 times the span, 18 meters. Okay, we have 108 kilonewton. Okay, so we have now a reaction. So, we can find or pwede na tayong gumawa ng shear and moment diagram. Okay. So, basically, ito yung unang step. This is RA. Aangat tayo. Based dito sa ating arrow. And, bababa tayo ng ilan? This is 108 minus, ito pababa to. Itong span na to pa po, na 15 meters lang muna. That is 15 times 15 meters na span. Bali, 108 minus 15 kasi pababa to. Okay, that is 117, negative. So, ibig sabihin, andyan yung negative value. Okay. And then, aangat tayo ng 162. Okay, so angat naman tayo ngayon ng 162. So we have 117, negative 117 plus 162 para sa RB. So we have 45. Okay. And then, okay, meron tayong 45 dyan. 45. And then, 45 minus, kasi ito minus to, pababa. That is 15 times 3 meters. So we have 0. Okay. So gagana na yung ating shear diagram. So that would be our shear diagram. And hindi pa tayo tapos kasi kung gagawin pa natin is positive moment yung hinahanap. So gawa pa tayo ng moment diagram. Ano ba yung moment diagram? Okay. Since meron na tayong shear diagram, gawa muna tayo ng moment diagram. So in part 1, masasagot na natin dito yung ating question sa part 1. What is the resulting maximum positive moment due to its uniform weight of 15 kN? Okay, so in able to find the moment, dito tayo gagawa ng moment na illustration. Kunin muna natin itong mga area. Yan. Kunin natin yung area na yan. Okay, so ibig sabihin, this would be 7.2. Okay, so paano nangyari naging 7.2 yan? Paano nangyari naging 7.2? Kasi we have 15. Okay, this is 108 divided by 15. Okay, so this is 108, that is your shear, divided by 15. Ito yan. Okay. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, this is x. This is the value of x, that is 15 area. Area nito. So, kaya ganun ang nangyari. So, 108 divided by 15 mo na lang. That is 7.2. And, we will get the area of this portion. That is the area of the triangle 108 times 7.2. Area times base times height. Okay, that is 388.8. Okay, that is positive 1 kasi angat nitong grade line natin. Pag angat yan, that is positive. Pag below nitong grade line, that is negative. Okay, how about this one? So, ibig sabihin, 7.2 yan, ibig sabihin ito, 7.8 yung distance niya. So, we have 117 here, and we will get 456.3. Actually, this is a negative 1. Negative yan, kasi below our origin or our grade line here. Okay, so, but it is understood naman kasi kita naman sa graph na andyan siya sa baba. So, that's negative. So, how about this one? That is 45. Ito 45 yan times 3. Kasi ito yung distance na 3. So, that is 67.5. Okay, and able to find the moment. Ano ba yung una? So, ito na yun. Area. Itong area. Yan, i-illustrate natin yan. Wala na kasing iba. This is the area. Okay. And then, next, meron tayong 388.8 minus ngayong itong area. Okay? Minus ngayon yan itong area. 456.3. Minus kasi this is negative. Kung positive yan, hindi aangat tayo plus. So, since this is a negative 1, minus 456.3, we have 67.5. Negative 67.5. Yon. And then, what will happen next? Okay, 67.5. Tapos itong area naman ito, that is positive. So, 67.5 plus 67.5. That is 0. And, pupunta ka ngayon sa 0. Okay? Ayun na, yung ating moment diagram. So, if we take a look, our moment diagram, the positive moment na nakuha natin is 388.8 kilonewton meter. So, that is our answer for our part 1. Okay? We will now go to our part 2. Our part says, what equal distance from the ends should the pile be lifted so that the bending stress is at least possible? So, what will happen? So, ibig sabihin, nag-move itong dalawa. Nag-move siya sa kanilang dapat equal distance. Mag-move siya na equal distance yung dulo-dulo nila. Pero, hindi natin alam kung ilan yung distance. Kasi yun yung hinahanap, ano, at what equal distance. So this is x and this is x. So if that is the value of x, so therefore ito, that is 18 minus 2x. Okay. So ngayon, kanina kumuha tayo ng shear and moment diagram, but that shear and moment diagram is hindi na ngayon applicable dito. Kasi nag-move na yung mga reactions natin. Okay? Hindi na yan applicable. So, ibig sabihin, kung hindi na yan applicable, gagawa ulit tayo ng shear and moment diagram. Okay. Para natin mahanap yung shear and moment diagram na yan, is computein muna natin itong reaction. Ilan ba yung reaction dyan? So, that is equal. So, ibig sabihin, symmetry. Symmetrical yung magiging pwersa. So, ibig sabihin, kung ilan yung pwersa dito, ganun din yung pwersa dito. So, that is 15 times 18. That is 270 yung magiging reaction na pababa. Divided by 2. That is 135. So, ibig sabihin, kung nagkikarry ito ng 135 kilonewton, pati din to. 135 kilonewton yung kinikarry nila. Okay. So, kung 135 kilonewton yung kinikarry nila, ibig sabihin gagawa tayo ng shear and moment diagram. Gawa muna tayo ng shear. So, this is 15. Ito lang portion ha. Okay. So, ito lang portion na yan. Dito lang muna tayo. That is 15 times x. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, negative yan, pababa. So, ito, in-illustrate ko na dito na negative kasi nagkakamap tayo ng equation. Kasi mayroon tayong variable. Okay. Tapos, aangat tayo ng 135. Diba, 135 to? Kung naalala nyo. So, that is negative 15x plus 135. Okay, ito yung negative 15x, ito yon plus 135 na reaction ito. Okay, so ito pababa naman, ano? Hanggang dito naman tayo. That is 15 times 18 minus 2x. Diba? 15 minus 18 times minus 2x. Ganun yun. Okay, so ibig sabihin, negative 15x plus 135x minus 15 times nito. Okay, so yung magiging resulta natin is 135 minus 15x. Okay. So tapos ngayon naangat na naman tayo ng 135. So 135 yung angat. So ibig sabihin magiging 15x na lang siya dyan. Okay. And then ito, this is 15 minus 15 times x. So, ibig sabihin, babalik ulit tayo sa 0. And that is our moment shear diagram. Okay. So, paano naman natin hanapin yung moment nito? Moment diagram. Kasi equation to, may mga variable tayo eh. Variable x. So, computein muna natin itong area na yan. Okay. That is 7.5 x squared. Kasi this is x. Tapos 15. Okay. But that is negative, ha? Negative kasi sa baba siya. Sa baba kasi siya. Okay. How about for this area? Yun. For this area, we have ito yung magiging value natin. Kasi that is 1/2 minus 15x. Ito yun. Times 18 minus 2x divided by 2. Kasi half niyan. Half nito. Okay, this is 18. Yung dito whole distance nito, divide 2. So, so the resulting value is 7.5x squared minus 135 plus 35x plus 607.5. Okay. Kung ilan yung value dito, that is also a value here. That is also our area. Value. The value of this area is the same with this area. At parehas din yan dito sa ating area na to. Okay. Okay. So, ayan yung magiging value natin. So, medyo tricky lang to kasi gumagamit siya dito ng variable. Kasi ito variable to eh. Yun yung hinahanap natin. Okay. So, How about for moment, we have negative 7.5x squared. At ito yun yung moment na yan. That is the area of this portion. And for our M2, or moment 2, ito yung mangyayari. This is M1. Diba? M1, positive 2. Aangat yan. Aangat yung graph natin ngayon. Plus itong area na yan. No? Itong area na yan. Kaya plus nitong area. So, we have the result, negative 135x plus 607.5. So, ayan yan. Okay. So, since this is a symmetrical figure, so ibig sabihin, kung ilan yung nangyari dito, ganun din yung mangyayari dyan kasi symmetry na yan eh. Parehas na yung illustration niya. So, magiging ganun niya yung ating illustration. That is our moment diagram. Okay, so yung hinahanap natin dito is the distance, itong value na x. So, paano ba yan? Okay, so dapat daw ibig sabihin yan is the bending stress is at least possible when this moment 1 is equal to this moment. Okay? So, dapat yung moment dito sa M1 is equal to the moment in M2 para maging least possible value siya. Okay? I hope nakuha nyo yan, ano? So, the moment in M1 is equal to the moment in M2. But, there is a problem because this is a negative value. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya magiging equal. Kasi negative 2 eh. But, I am saying that the value of this M1 is equal to the value of M2 in terms of the absolute value. Okay. So, ito yan na yung magiging equation natin. That M1, this is M1, and this is M2, this is M1. Okay, that the M2 is equal to M1. So, it can be interchanged. Pwede itong maging absolute, pwede din ito. Okay, so ito na yung in-absolute ko kasi isa lang yung magiging equation niya. Ito isang figure lang. Okay, so yun mas madali para sa akin na absolute. Pero pwede naman din to i-absolute mo. Walang problema dyan. Okay, so we will now have, this is M2. Yung M2 mo is 135x plus 607.5 and this is negative. So naka-absolute na yan. So that is positive na. Okay, by using our calculator, we have negative 135x plus 607.5 is equal to 7.5x squared. Okay, so bibigyan tayo ng 3.73 na sagot. Okay, that is 3.73 meters. So, ibig sabihin, itong value ng x mo is 3.73. And kung hinahanap pa itong mga distance na yan, hindi, madali mo nang ma-solve yan kasi may value ka na ng x. Okay. That is the answer for our part 2. How about for our part 3? Sa ating part 3 kasi, sabi naman dito, at what equal distance from the ends should the pile be lifted so that the resulting shear is the smallest? So, ganun pa din yung nangyari. Hindi na tayo mag-illustrate ulit kasi parehas lang din yung nangyari. But, the problem naman dito is dapat itong shear naman is equal to this shear. Okay, this is shear 1 and this is shear 2. Walang problema na dyan, parehas lang naman yan. So, dito na lang tayo mag-take. So, dapat daw yung shear na to is equal sa shear dito. So, ganun din, dapat yung isa dyan is naka-absolute value. Okay, so that is V1, that is negative 15. And our V2, that is 15x plus 35. So, ito yun. Okay, so in-absolute natin dito yung V1. Okay, so yan yung magiging equation natin. Okay, by negative 15x is equal to 15x plus 135. Shift solve pala. Shift solve. That is 4.5. Okay, so it takes a negative, negative yung lumabas, pero it doesn't matter kung negative yan. Walang problema dyan. Kasi yung kinukuha lang naman natin is the distance nito. So, that is 4.5. Okay, so ibig sabihin, nagkakaroon siya ng maximum shear naman kung magiging 4.5 yan. Ibig sabihin, malilipat na naman yan dyan. Okay. So, that is our answer for Seaboard May 2022. But this is not an actual problem na lumabas sa Seaboard. Pero, halos katulad lang nito. Hindi talaga siya exact na given. Okay, that's all for today.